Benvenuti! Welcome to Italian for Beginners. I'm your Italian teacher Sarah, and today I'm with useful Italian phrases to use with kids. You can use them in your daily routine with your kids, okay? The first phrase is Hai lavato I denti? Hai lavato I denti? Did you brush your teeth? Hai lavato, did you brush I denti, your teeth? Hai lavato I denti. If you want to practice it, then pause the video and practice it 1 or 2 times if you want. Next one is È ora di andare. È ora di andare. It's time to go. To go, andare, è ora, it's time. Ora means time in English, okay? Next one is Sbrigati. Hurry up. Sbrigati. Hurry up. Sbrigati. Sbrigati. Next one is Vuoi la merenda? Vuoi la merenda? Do you want a snack? Vuoi, do you want la merenda snack? Vuoi la merenda? Do you want a snack? These are very useful phrases. You can use them with your kids. Let's move on to our next phrase. This one is È ora di cena. È ora, it's time. Di for cena, dinner. È ora di cena. It's time for dinner. È ora di cena. Cena, dinner. Next one is ora si dorme. Ora, time. Si, to, dorme, sleep. Dorme, sleep. Ora si dorme, time to sleep. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.